something in my yard today. Go back and look. I got a mommy bird on a nest. She is hard to find. She picked a good spot. Might see if I can catch her off the nest. We'll see what's actually going on in there. Alright, so I caught her. She's still on the nest, but she's open. I see 3 little babies in there. Can't see them. I see one real well. I see 1, 2, 3. Might be a 4th. But she's a good mommy. She ain't leaving. She stayed right there with them until I go away. So we'll probably leave them alone now. But I had to see how big she's got in there. But she probably don't like me. But I'll show you what she's living in. So I mean, it's not bad for shelter wise. And she's got it to where you can't see her. If she doesn't want to, she flies in right about there. She'll fly right there. Her nest is right there. You can kind of see it right there. But we'll try my best not to bug her too much. We'll see what happens. We'll cut this video together and I'll post it up and I'll see y'all then. Until next time, keep those fires burned and put a log on the fire for me. Thanks, guys.